They move in silence, no engine roar, no footsteps, just a signal and a target. In the skies over Ukraine, drones have become the most feared weapon, watching, waiting, and striking without warning. Russian soldiers hide beside a ruined wall. The drone floats down, silent, precise, then drops the charge. 1 strike, 3 down. The mission is over before they even look up. The drone hovers high, scanning the ground below. Russian soldiers move, unaware they've already been seen. 1 by 1, it locks on, steady aim, precise drops. No warning, no misses. Each target falls where they stand. A quiet, clinical execution from the sky. The tank creeps forward, heavy and defiant, but from above, the drone is already locked in. 1 swift dive, 1 well-placed strike, then flames. The armor cracks, smoke pours out, and the beast is silenced. 1 drone, 1 shot, 1 tank gone. Across the dirt road on a motorcycle, fast, exposed, unaware, but speed means nothing from above. The drone tracks, adjusts, and strikes mid-motion. In an instant, the ride is over. They run across the open ground, scattered, desperate, hoping to outrun what they can't see. But the drone is already watching. One by one they fall. No cover, no chance. In this war, there is no escape from the skies. Deep in the grass, beneath the trees, they think the forest protects them. But the drone glides overhead, unbothered by branches or shadows. It finds them one after another. The leaves can't save them, not from this sky.